Yeah. Can you see that in here we have k minus k? Mm-hmm. Okay, so what is left?
N.
N.
And would be n factorial.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's all coming together there.
Right. I tell you this. To do this, you require patience and passion. Patience and passion. Okay, so you can do this. You can do this, but you really need to put your head down and do this few times until you fully get it. Okay, that happened to me. It's not like, I got it, first time. No, it wasn't like that. Okay, no. It took me a little while until I understand, where all this is coming from. Okay, and all this is coming from here. Okay, it's coming from here and here. All right, okay. Okay, and then this is n factorial over n minus k factorial. And then you very confidently can say that the right-hand side is equal to the left-hand side. Can you see that? So we're going to say, therefore, finally, we can say that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And therefore, we have this. So conclusion, so you're going to say, therefore, write it down, therefore, this is equal to that, because that's what we really want to prove it in the first place.
Man, we should leave that up on the board so the next class that comes and goes, damn, they're so smart.
Okay, but again, all this is coming from this, all right? All this is coming from this triangle. But by doing this, now we can very confidently say that this works for any power, okay? Not only for 2, 3, but now we know that it works for all of them. Okay, that's it. So this is the end of this proof. Now we're going to do some application, something that I really want you to do. So some, easy application. Okay, can I wrap this up now?
I think we should just keep it there and we get an early mark.
No, can we drop the tree off?
No!
Yeah, the tree.
It looks like a Christmas tree.
I went over this year.
All right, so your homework, or part of your homework will be learn this. Okay, remember how to do it. So you're going to practice a few times, you're going to do it, and then you're going to put that in the bin, and then you're going to do it again, put it in the bin, do it again, put it in the bin, do it again, put it in the bin, until you can replicate this, in your head.
I could replicate that, right?
So I think it just all out before you even showed us.
What was it?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to say application. Application. Applications. Show that number 1, AC3 is equal to AC5. Okay, so you're going to prove that AC3 is equal to AC5. How are you going to do this? Well, you're going to do the left-hand side using the formula, and then you're going to do the right-hand side using the same formula, and then you're going to compare. Okay, and conclusion will be the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, right? That's how you do this. Okay, and then number 2, you're going to prove that 7 T4. Remember that in here we say AC3, and in here we say 7 T4. Okay, that's what that means, because that's exactly what that means. So you have 7 and you take 4 at a time. Okay. And this is 6, 3
Yeah.
plus 6, 4. Okay, so this is an application of the second property that we did. And this is nothing more than an application of this property, the last one that we done. Okay, so we're going to do this. All right, so we're going to say solution. Solution number 1. Okay, so let's do AC3, so that's what we need to prove, is equal to AC5, left-hand side. Okay, we're going to start with the left-hand side. Okay, so I'm going to say AC3, using the formula, you're going to tell me. Okay, go for it.
8 factorial on 8 minus 3 factorial.
Which is 5 factorial?
5 factorial. And 3 factorial.
3 factorial. Again, we're going to leave it like that. Again, then we're going to compare that with the other one. Okay, the right-hand side is equal to 8C5. And that is equal to, okay, Archie, tell me what to do with this one.
It would be 8 factorial, over brackets 8 minus 5 factorial,
Which is,
3 factorial,
okay, so we're going to do the 3 factorial. And then?
Times by 5 factorial.
Yeah. Okay, and you can see that these two will give you the same numerical answer. But then in test, then you're going to say, therefore, the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. So, the conclusion, AC3 is, in fact, equal to 8C5. Okay, so this is how I want it in test. Okay, so you're going to do left-hand side, right-hand side, and your conclusion. Okay. Are you okay with this one?
Mm-hmm.
That was easy, okay? All right, let's do the other one. All right, so for question 2, we had 7 type 4 equal to 6 type 3 plus 6 type 4. All right. Okay, so we're going to do the same. We're going to do the left-hand side, and then we're going to compare that with the right-hand side. Okay. So left-hand side is equal to 7 type 4. And we know that that is equal to 7 factorial. And then 7 minus 4, so it's 3 factorial. And then multiply by 4 factorial. Okay? That's it. And we're going to leave it like that. And then we are going to compare this with the sum of these two things. Right? All right. So now the right-hand side. So we have 6 take 3 plus 6 take 4. Okay, so we need to manipulate this until we get that. Right? Okay, so here we go. Okay, Ella, tell me what is the answer for that one.
6 factorial over 3 factorial times 3 factorial.
Very good. And the next one?
So 6 factorial over 2 factorial, 4 factorial.
Right. Okay. I really want to have the same denominator. Okay. So you can see that in here we have 4 factorial, and I really want to keep that one because can you see that in here we have 4 factorial? I really want to keep this one. So that means that I need to multiply this fraction for something that will give me that 4 factorial. So what you reckon I should multiply the top and the bottom of this, so then we have the 4 factorial at the bottom. 4. That's it. Okay? Very good. So we're going to say 6 factorial, 3 factorial, and then 4 times 3 factorial, and I need to also multiply this by 4. Right. And, okay, I know that you're getting better on this. In here, I have 3 factorial, so I really want to have a 3 factorial in the denominator. So I have the 3 factorial here, so I don't need to touch this anymore. But I really want to have in here, in my denominator, I really want to have a 3 factorial. So what do we need to multiply the top and the bottom by? 3. Go on. You see, you're getting smarter and smarter. Right. And then the miracle occurred. So on top we're going to have, 4 multiplied by 6 factorial. And on the other side, I'm going to put the fraction together, all right? And in here we're going to have 3 times 6 factorial. And I know that this is going to be equal to 3 factorial, 4 factorial. So this one. Okay, are you happy with that?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so this is going to be equal to 3 factorial multiplied by 4 factorial. Right, but we need to have 7 factorial. Can you see that on top?
Yeah.
Okay, but can you see that we have a common factor? What is the common factor? 6 factorial. And can you see that in here we go 4 and 3?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what is the answer? 4 plus 3?
7.
Or you can say 4 6 factorial plus 3 6 factorial. How many 6 factorial are there? 7. Okay, and then 7. All right? And that is what we want. So we have 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 4 factorial. And I feel like putting this question in the test. Anyway, and then that's it. And then what are you going to say? How are you going to conclude this?
Therefore, left-hand side is equal to right-hand side.
Left-hand side, wait. Right-hand side. Therefore, go ahead.
7 take 4 equals
7 take 4 equal
6 take 3 plus 6 take 4.
6 take 4. Right, beautiful. That is what I really want to test. Now, do you get it?
Hold on 1 minute. How'd you get to the last one? Like 3 factorial on the bottom?
In here?
Yeah.
All right, can you see that in here we got 3 factorial multiplied by 4 times 3 factorial?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can you see that 4 multiplied by 3 factorial is simply 4 factorial?
Yeah.
That's what we have been saying. Okay.
Ooh,
And in here we got 3 multiplied by 2 factorial.
3
Okay, but 3 times 2 factorial is just 3 factorial. Now, this was heavy. Okay, I never said that it was easy, but it is still doable, especially for people like you, smart people like you. All right, so you can do all this stuff. Okay, so that's it. So we finished with this chapter. Okay, now what you're going to have to do the exercises from the textbook. Okay, so which is, what is it, 306?
Yeah, it's 306.
Okay, so can you please go to your lab? No, we need to continue. Okay,
Do we have a break?
that's the idea.
Brain break. Learning disposition wheel says we need a grade break.
Yeah.
Okay, wait,